Is an external door solid or hollow? At Doors Plus, we recommend installing solid external doors around your home for security and insulation. Depending on your budget and preferences, we have a range of external doors in both solid Pacific ash timber and solid composite materials. A solid door is stronger and makes it much more difficult for anyone to break in, whereas a hollow core door is made with a cardboard honeycomb inlay panel and is easier for an intruder to kick in. External doors should also be constructed from a material that can withstand the elements and that keeps your home well insulated from the outside in. Our solid Timber Arcadia range offers strength and durability with optional raised molding and multiple designs and configurations to suit your space and style. Or alternatively, our Torrens and Regent ranges use a solid construction and a primed high moisture resistant skin for excellent robustness and resilience against the elements. These, as well as the solid MDF Clifton range, offer various different designs and optional glazing, so you don't have to compromise on style or natural light.